Hey there, awesome people. Have you ever wondered what Nigeria was like before independence? Well, buckle up because we're going on a wild ride through history full of kingdoms, drama, and the ultimate fight for freedom. Long, long ago, before the word Nigeria even existed, this land was home to some serious powerhouses. The Benin Kingdom, the Oyo Empire, each had mighty kings, fearless warriors, and traditions that were chef's kiss amazing. Life was full of festivals, storytelling, and adventure. And then, boom, Europeans arrived. But they weren't here for jollof rice and suya. Nope. The British wanted control, and just like that, things started changing. Now, the British weren't exactly the friendly neighbors you borrow sugar from. In 1807, they banned the transatlantic slave trade and started patrolling the seas like, not on our watch. Fast forward to 1851, and they set their sights on Lagos. King Oba Kosoko was out, and Britain made Oba Akitoye the new king, but only if he agreed to stop the slave trade. Oba Akitoye was like, okay, fine, and signed the treaty. By 1861, Britain officially claimed Lagos as theirs. It was like planting a giant property of Britain sign and saying like, this land is now mine. But they weren't done yet. By 1914, Britain went full Frankenstein mode. They took the northern and southern regions, plus Lagos, and stitched them together into one big country, Nigeria. But here's the thing, it wasn't a fair deal. Christian missionaries brought schools and Western education to the south, but in the north, where many people were Muslim, things were different. Education wasn't as widespread, and this would later cause some serious issues. Then, boom, World War II happened. And after that, Nigerians were like, you know what? We're tired of being bossed around. We want freedom. People started protesting, demanding independence. They held meetings, negotiations, and basically wouldn't take no for an answer. And finally, on October 1st, 1960, cue the fireworks, Nigeria became independent. Imagine the celebrations, flags waving, people dancing, hope shining in every eye. It was like the biggest Independence Day party ever. Now, just because Nigeria was free didn't mean everything was smooth sailing. The country had different political groups. NCNC, mostly Igbo and Christians. MPC, led by Northerners and Muslims. Action Group, representing the Yoruba, who wanted major changes. These groups had very different ideas. And let's just say, things got complicated. By 1963, Nigeria leveled up and became a republic with Nnamdi Azikiwe as its first president. But politics was messy. There were disagreements, struggles, and big decisions to make. But here's the most important part. Nigeria never gave up. Through every challenge, every setback, Nigerians kept pushing forward. They stayed determined, strong, and full of dreams. And that's the lesson right there. So whenever things get tough, just remember, if Nigeria can fight for its freedom and rise above challenges, so can you. Never give up. Stay strong. Keep dreaming. Because just like Nigeria, your future is worth fighting for. Want more fun and exciting Nigerian history? Hit that follow button and stay tuned for more from Culture Nation.